Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Dr. Fred Sutton. In this video I'll be presenting Chapter 8, Problem 8-38 on page 333. You're welcome to open your textbooks and follow along. I will read through the problem in just a moment here. As you can see, I put some preliminary information up here. This is the steps I'm going to go through to figure out for the problem. So let's go and open up the books and take a look at the problem here. So on page 333, 8-38, target costing unit cost. So what we're going to figure out is that unit cost here, right here. So let's take a look at that. This company is contemplating introducing a new type of calculator to complement its existing line of scientific calculators. The target price of the calculator is $75. We know what the target price is there. And the annual sales volume of the new calculator is expected to be 500,000 units. So that 500,000 units, to get our target sales, we're going to multiply that by the $75. I'll do that in just a moment. This company has a 15% return on sales target. So that's their goal, is a 15% on sales, return on sales target. So I told you here we had 500,000 units, right? Times 75. $75. So that will give us our total target sales that we will have. And so that is 37,500,000. All right. So that gives us the first portion of the problem there. So now let's take away our lesser target profit. Why would we want to do that? Well, we want to figure out what that target cost is. How much is going to cost us for this? So what we're going to do is take away this. So we're going to take, it said our target cost was 15%. So 15%, we're going to multiply times the per unit cost. 0.15 is our 15%. And then multiply that times 500,000 units. That will give us that information there. Then you're going to say to me, well, I still can just figure out this per unit cost, and I'll show you that in just a moment as we finish up. I'll walk you through that, but I want you to walk through and figure out what each of the costs are. So if I take a look at that, take the 75 times the 0.15, that will give me the amount that I'll multiply that by 500,000, and that total amount there will be 5,625,000. Then what I will do is I will take, as I said less, take away my target profit. So it gives me $31,875,000 that we would have there. So that is my target cost. That's what it would cost me if I sold this amount at this price, how much we estimate the cost would be for that. So 31 million. So now I'm going to have to just figure out what's the unit target cost per unit here, which would be, so I'm going to take the 31 million that I just figured out here, 875,000, and then divide that by the 500,000, and that will give me my per unit cost, which is $63.75. That would be my unit target cost. How much it would cost me per unit. So as I take a look at this here, I could have figured it out also here. You're probably, like I said, you may be thinking that. What I could have done is just multiply that 0.15 times the 75 and take that away from the $75, and that would give me my unit cost also. I just want you to walk through this and see how it is done using each of the steps here, using the total sales that would cost you. So as you can see, this is our target sales here. Then the total cost, we wanted to figure out what those the target cost would be for the to produce those calculators. So as you can see here, they have a unit target cost of $63.75, and that's what it would cost them per unit. So they would make $11.25 on each of those calculators. I'm Dr. Fred Sutton. This is problem 8-38 on page 333. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and good luck.